Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Glammed by K Pie, and I'm just here to give you quick little tips on how to take care of your weave installs, your wig, or your closures, or your frontals. Now, when you get out of that chair from the salon, you want to take care that you tie your hair down for the first night, because that's going to put tension on where you glue, or if you don't glue it, you still tie it down to get that nice sleek look. Another thing you can do is not to pull so much on the hair, because as much as that glue or tape seems to be like it's not going anywhere, you're pulling on it, so eventually it's gonna lift. So take care that you're not pulling too much on the hair. Another thing you can do is you